What's going on, guys? DGK Shanahan here, back with another skateboard deck review for you guys. I know my skateboard deck reviews don't go into performance. I just want to show what I have and sort of make this a visual depository of sorts of the decks that I've had. Because I in the past have had so many skateboards that, despite just only skating mini logo, my first skateboard deck was a Phantom deck. I think it was under DNA distribution. Status, DNA, that sort of company. It was glow in the dark, it was quite majestic, and it was expensive. But going on to the subject of the review today, we have got John Shanahan's Colors deck, I believe. So this is like supposed to be a take on the whole gang color association. So DGK is a brand established by Mr. Stevie Williams, one of my favorite skateboarders. It was a brand that, according to him, was from the streets. So to support a brand that has gone through so many evolutions, when they signed with DGK, that was one hell of an achievement to me, to be like a skateboard brand, to sign with a big name brand, because there wasn't so much intervention by corporate brands like Puma, Adidas, and Nike. Obviously Nike SB had their own thing, but this was way before the whole Nike SB thing. I mean, around the same time as the Nike SB thing. Nike SB didn't really blow up in terms of streetwear and hype culture and all that crap. So it was just a purely skateboarding thing, and it was DGK by RBK. I have one of those shoes. I'll probably do a review for you guys one of these days. So this is DGK's 8.0 shape, made in Mexico. You got the holographic sticker just right there. KO Corp sticker. The retail price, which is, whoo, god damn. Imagine having to spend 300 ringgit for a skateboard, just to skateboard these days. On the top it says, "Thank you for supporting KO Corp. We are committed to manufacturing finest quality products in the world. They are made in Mexico." I'm just trying to see if there's like a laser engraving on the size tag. No. DGK logo just right there. I'm probably gonna do like a whole strip to kind of show that when I grip this. A DGK all day sticker, and this is what it looks like. This is what the deck looks like. Yeah, John Shanahan recently just turned pro for DGK, so I believe this was one of his first few debut skateboards. Guy rips. Him and the Sabotage crew were very responsible for bringing the Lynx, DC Lynx OG whole issue. the whole DC Lynx revival was because of the whole Sabotage. John Shanahan was part of it too. He also had a Village Sidekick video where he reviewed one of those old DCs. I forgot what they were, but they were falling apart. He had to super glue them. He had to duct tape them just to complete the review. That was wild. Yeah, a DGK 8.0, John Shanahan's Pro Model deck from Zone 5. Forgot to mention that. That's basically it. See you guys in the next one.